one sorted out already. So I'll just go ahead and pick this. So I will just go ahead, bury the rest of them. I think this has to go a bit deeper. And put the other one here. This is quite big, so I have to dig the hole a bit deeper. I should have sent this one to the other side, but it's all good. For the sake of the video, I will just scratch this up and later on try to cover it. But it's okay. I don't. It's okay. So the next thing I have to do is to water this, and I'm not going to do that. I will do that later after the video. Follow up. So we are 2 months down the line, and this is what we have by far. Uh, it's our crops are doing well. The controversy they have sprouted very well, grown broad leaves, and somewhere 6 months down the line, cocoyam is going to be ready for harvest. And if you want to know how long it takes cocoyam to be ready for harvest, I have a video on that which will be in the description as well, or could leave that at the end of the video. Okay, let me leave it in the description below where you can also see how long it takes cocoyam to mature for harvest. So that is it. We will wait for 6 months, and we will be back here and see if there are any changes or there is any change at all happening to these crops. We will see about that. All right, we are 6 months down the line, and this is what we have. This is what we have. Some have outgrown others, but it's all looking good. If I start scratching this up, I am hoping that some of my cocoyam will start forming under this soil and in this container.